Hello, good morning, sir. My name is Rahul BR. My registration number is 18BC0984. So today I'm going to be talking about the microcontroller I've chosen, which is the RX63T MCU. The reason I've chosen this microcontroller is because of two main reasons. One is the powerful instruction set. The RX63T MCU supports 90 selected instructions. The DSP instructions, the floating point arithmetic instructions, realize high-speed arithmetic processing. And not only that, it has very versatile addressing modes. It has 10 versatile addressing modes with register operations, register memory operations, and bitwise operations included. Data transfer between memory locations is also very much possible. So this is the block diagram for the microcontroller which I've selected, which is again RX63T MCU. We can take a closer look. I've uploaded the DA assignment in DA1. So yes. So maybe due to the screen recording, the wording looks a bit blurred, but in the document I've uploaded, it looks perfectly all right. So you can take a look there. So this is the better, more closer version, summarized version of the block diagram which I've chosen. And as you can see, this is the memory. This is the RX32 CPU bit. This is the system, the timers, and the communications functions. And this is the analog functions. So this shows the instruction set provided by this RX63T MCU processor. All this has been uploaded in the document at DA1, under DA1. And this shows how the architecture part. So it consists of a central processing unit, memory modules, a system bus, and an input-output unit. And this is the microcontroller which I've chosen, and this is the block diagram. So I've already mentioned the instruction set architecture. Now these are the control registers. There are about 7 control registers. One is the interrupt stack pointer. One is the interrupt table register. One is the program counter. One is the program processor status word. And finally the backup PC, the backup PSW, and the fast interrupt vector register and floating point status word. Register associated with DSP instructions. So obviously accumulator, the ACC, the IO registers, the IO register addresser, the notes on writing the IO registers, and yes, okay. And this is the unsigned multiplication of the microcontroller which I've chosen. This is the unsigned division for the microcontroller which I've chosen, and this is the storing division which I've chosen, and this is the solution. Again, all these look a bit blur during the recording, but the clarity is much better in the actual document I've already uploaded. And this is the hazard management technique. There are about 5 hazard management techniques. One is handling of unused pins, processing and power on, prohibiting of access at reserved addresses, clock signals, and difference between products.